Okay, as you know, my heroes, this is revision, and tomorrow, inshallah, we have quiz. So we start with the first question. Riyadh, go ahead.
Yes.
Which of the following is another way to show 5/9?
If we 4 plus 1 equals 5
Excellent.
over
So
9.
the correct choice is.
9.
Thank you, my hero. Great work.
The correct is
Okay, it's B. Yes. Ali, what do you want?
I was thinking.
Oh, you can think without using your mic.
Okay.
Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next one. Thamer.
I didn't open the mic. I had a problem.
Okay, mute it, my hero. I'm sharing my screen. You should see it. If you have any problems, so it's in your device. Try to solve it. Thamer.
I see your screen.
Thamer is not here. Saleh. Saleh.
Yes, Mr.
Go ahead.
Which fraction is not equivalent to the shaded area of rectangle?
So we need first to find. Yes, okay. Go. The shaded how many and the total how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 15, 20. The total is 20
Okay.
and
So
and shaded.
we need which one is not equivalent.
we put the
I
denominator.
see that this is the denominator 20 also. And
Yeah.
the numerator is different. So is this one equivalent to 15 over 20? Of course, no. So
No.
this one is the one which is not equivalent to 15 over 20. Okay, thank you, my hero. Good work. And my heroes, you can check this also by dividing by 5. You will get 3/4, and as you can see, 3/4 is correct. And if I want, so of course, this is 12 in the denominator. So 3/4, if you want to make it 12, you will multiply by 3. So multiply both numerator and denominator, it will be 9/12. So this one also is correct. And 6/8, you have 3/4, you can multiply the 4 by 2. In this case, you will get 8 in the denominator. In the numerator, 3 times 2 equals 6. So you have 2 ways to check your answer, my heroes. And let's move to the next question. What is the sum? Muhammad Al-Humaydan.
Yes, Mr. What is this?
Can I go back?
Muhammad Al-Humaydan, okay, go ahead, solve. And Muhammad Gamal, yes, you can.
12 plus 12 equals 12. 10 plus 3 equals 10. It is 10, 12.
Yes, we do not add the denominator. Wow, I like my heroes. Great work, my hero. Thank you. So, my heroes, we just add the numerators 7 plus 3. Only the numerators. Do not add the denominators, because the denominator determines the size of the part, not the number of parts. And let's move to the next one. Oh, this one is great. Abdulaziz Abbas.
This is easy.
Yes, I'm here, Abdulaziz Abbas.
Go ahead.
And 3 over 8 of his time at a computer and 1/8 of
1/8.
his
It's
one
better to read
eighth-
it 1/8 of his time
1/8
on.
of his time on that earth. On what fraction of his time at work does I spend on the computer and on the telephone?
So we need to do what?
4/8.
Excellent.
No.
Wow. It's 3/8 plus 1/8
Yeah.
equals 4/8. Oh, I don't see 4/8 in the choices.
Yeah, but 8 plus 8 equals 16. So 4/16.
Oh, so you say that you need to multiply this 4/8
No.
by what? By what number? By 2 to get 16. You cannot add.
Yeah,
You can
I
multiply
mean-
only. If you multiply, it will be 8/16. So this one is wrong.
Oh, C.
C, 1/2. Can you explain why? Since you want to get
Because-
1, so you need to divide by 4. I will write it down better. 4/8, I will divide by 4 because I want to get 1. Okay, so 4 divided 4 equals 1.
1.
And 8
And
divided
8
4.
8 divided by 4 equals 2.
So your answer is correct. Yes, it's 1/2. Thank you, Abdulaziz. Great work. And my hero, there's someone playing. Please stop playing. And focus with me on the screen. Any problems, my heroes? Okay, let's move to the next one. Maytham. Maytham, are you here?
نعم أستاذ.
Oh, Maytham, do not use Arabic. As you can see, the number line shows which of the following equations. And here we have 3/8 and here we have 4/8 and we need the sum. So simply, this is plus or minus. Can you see the arrow? The arrow is pointing down here and down here. So we are moving from 0 to 3/8. Then we move another 4/8. So this is plus or minus?
Plus. No, minus. No, plus, plus. No, minus. Plus, plus, plus.
Maytham, you will get a note.
No, plus.
Of course, it's clear that it's plus because we go to the right. When you go to the right, it's plus, of course. So, it will be
I plus the denominator.
the
with
numerator
other
and
one.
do not add the denominator. Use it the same denominator. So,
It will be 7, 8,
7
and
8.
7.
So, the correct choice is
B. B.
yes. Thank you, Maytham. Great work. And please, my hero, need to focus. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next question. Muhammad Sultan.
Over here.
Which fraction
Yeah.
is not equivalent to the shaded area of a rectangle? So we need first to find what is the area shown in the rectangle. How many shaded and how many total?
4.
Total?
1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12. 4, 12.
Okay, we need which one is not. So the first one, it's 4 over 12. So it's correct. We will not choose it. The next one, 4 sectors. Oh, it's using the same numerator, but not the same denominator. It may be equal to 4/12. So, can I write 4 sectors equal to 4/12? This is correct? Of
No.
course no, because they are using the same numerator. They should have the same denominator if they have the same numerator. So these two are not equivalent. So this one is wrong, and we need the one which is wrong, which is not equivalent. Okay, let's check the next one. 2 sectors. I'm checking them because if I choose one wrong, I choose it and I did it by mistake, I can find another one, so I will see that I have 2 choices, so my answer is not right. I need to repeat it. Okay, so let's check this. I want 4/12 to have denominator 6, like this 6. How to do this? Divide, of course, because 12 is greater than 6. Divide by what?
By 4.
Divide 12 by 4 to get 6.
No,
Divide by 2. 12 divided 2 equals 6. So we need to divide by the same number in the numerator. 4 divided 2 equals
2.
So this is 2 sectors is also right. Let's check the last one, 1/3. I have 4/12 and focus my hero. 4/12. And I want the denominator to be 3, like this 3. So multiply or divide?
Divide.
Divide 12 by what number to get 3?
4.
So divide the 4 also by the same number. 4 divided 4 equals
4, 3, 1, 1.
Oh, so it's also correct. So the only wrong one is B. This is the only one which is not equivalent to 4/12. Thank you, Muhammad. Great work. Any questions, my heroes? Okay, let's move to the next one. Oh, which fraction is greater than 1/4? Wow. Ali Dawhi. Ali Dawhi.
Yeah.
Okay, Ali, as you can see here, we need to know which one is greater than 1/4. So simply compare 1/4 to each one of them.
Okay. Me or
الدوخي.
Easy, very easy.
Thamir, you are using your mic. Do not use your mic, my hero. Okay, go ahead. You can use the scissors or you can use any other way.
The scissors.
Okay, 4 times 1.
4.
8 times 1.
8.
So, this is less than, and we need greater than. So this one is wrong.
Wrong.
The next one. Go ahead. 12 times 1.
12. I want the scissors way.
I will not draw the scissors. 4 times 2.
8.
So, greater or less?
Less. Greater.
8 is
Less.
greater than 12. Less, of course. Okay, the next one.
Wrong.
4 times 3.
12.
And 16 times 1.
16.
So,
Greater.
my hero, you need to focus. 12 is greater than 16.
Mr. In 16 is greater than
Of
12.
course, please do not use your mics without permission, my heroes. So, less than. So, this one also is wrong. Let's see the last one. Go ahead, my hero. Take the 20 up to the 1.
Multiply 6,
Excellent. 4 times 6.
24.
And
20 multiply 1, 20. Plus.
my hero, this is greater and this is less. This is greater and this is less.
Greater, I mean.
Okay, so this is greater than. Oh, we need greater than, so this one is correct. Oh, thank you, my hero. Great work. And let's move down. Oh, okay, I'll leave it. If you're writing, please write quickly. If you want to take any notes, you can take notes. And quickly, my heroes, go ahead. Ala Hussam.
Here, Mr.
Go ahead. Which is another fraction
Mr.
that names 2/3? Quickly, my hero. What should we do?
4 6s.
Explain why.
Because if we 2 equal 4 and 3 multiply 2 equals 6.
Yes, thank you, Ala. Great work. Any questions, my heroes? So we can move to the next one. Khalifa Naim.
Sir. Yes, Mr.
Okay, Khalifa, read the question, please.
A number line is divided into 6 equal parts to show sixes. A point labeled 1 to name the equivalent fraction for the labeled points.
So we divided the number line into 6 equal parts, and each part makes 1/6. And we have point labeled 1/2. So simply we need to know where is the 1/2 when you divide it into sixths.
C.
Can you explain why? We multiply by.
We said 1, 2 for the middle or نص.
You multiply the 2 by what to get 6?
So by 3.
So do the same with the numerator. Multiply it also by 3. It will be 3 sectors. That's why 3 sectors is the correct choice. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Okay. Abdullah Mubarak. Abdullah Mubarak. Abdullah. Are you here, Abdullah? Okay. Ahmed Fahad. Ahmed Fahad.
Yes, Mr.
Ahmed, as you can see in this question.
Do you say my name?
Do not ask this question. Mute your mic.
Okay.
You know, my heroes, the questions that I don't like you to ask, please do not ask. Okay, go ahead, my hero. You can see that all of them have the same numerator. 1.
Yes.
So, which one is Least. Least means bigger or biggest or smallest.
The biggest.
What?
The biggest is 10.
Least means smallest.
C.
C?
Yes.
Oh, you are choosing a random or what? My
No,
hero,
no.
remember this note? When you have
This random.
greater denominators, gives smaller fractions. Right? So
What?
we need the smallest fraction here, and they have the same numerator, so we will choose the greatest denominator. Which one has the greatest denominator? Which one has?
B.
Yes, it's 1/10. So this one is smallest because it has greatest denominator. So the size is very, very, very small. When you use big number down, so the fraction is small. Okay, thank you, Abdullah. This is not Abdullah. Who's this? Who's this? This is Ahmed. Yes, Ahmed. Okay, Ahmed, thank you.
Answer.
You will get a note. Use your mic again without permission and you will get a note. Ali Isa?
Yes, mister.
Okay, my
Yes.
hero. Which fraction is greater than 3/4? So we need to write 3/4 here, and here, and here, and here, and compare it to all of them. Let's go. Go ahead. You can use scissors or any other way.
Scissors.
Okay, as you wish. 4 multiplied by 5
Equal 20.
and 8 times 3.
8 times 3. 24 or 20?
24, yes. So
Yeah,
this
20.
is less and we need greater. So this one
Great.
is wrong. The next
Wrong.
one. Go ahead. 12 times 3.
Equal.
You can multiply 2 times 3, then 1 times 3.
2 times 3 equals 6. And
1 times 3 equals 3.
1
So
times 3 equals
12 times 3
36.
equals 36. And 4 times 10.
40.
Oh, this one is greater.
Plus,
This one is correct. So we need to
it's
choose.
greater than.
We need to choose this one. But as I told you before, my heroes, we need to continue. I will choose another color. And this one is the correct choice. And we will continue, my heroes, because we need to check that we don't have any other correct answers. So do this one also. And the last one. 16 times 3. 6 times 3. Then 1 times 3.
6 times 3
Yes.
equal 17.
Oh, 18. 8 and carry up 1.
18.
1 times 3.
Equal 3.
Plus
38.
1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It will be
48.
and the other
But
scissor.
Mr.
4 times
It's
7.
3, not 4.
1.
Mr. here
Okay.
is
Okay. Again 16 times 3. 6 times 3. 18. 8 and carry up 1. Now multiply 1 times 3 equals 3. What about the one in the top here? It will be 4. Okay. So 4 times 7.
What?
The other
Four
side,
times
4 times 7,
seven.
yes.
Equal 20,
28.
28.
Okay, so this one is greater or less?
Less.
And the last one, 20 times 3,
20 times 3 equal 60.
okay, just give me a second. Okay, this is 60. And 4 times 10,
40.
so this one is,
Less than.
and we need greater, so this one is wrong, and also this one is wrong, and we are sure now that this one is the one which is greater than 3/4. Great work, Ali, thank you. Oh, we have in question 12, which fraction is the least? So which one is the smallest? Wow, how to do this? Do you have any ideas, my heroes? Anyone? If you can help me, say your name.
Maitham.
Okay, who else?
Ali.
Okay, Ali Sultan. Who else?
Muhammad Yahya.
Okay, who else?
Mr. Otis Bakushan.
12.
Mr. Abdul Nami. Muhammad bin Humaydan.
Okay,
Mr.
Muhammad.
Abdul Nami. Ibrahim.
Okay, Ibrahim. Okay, let's start with Maitham. Maitham, what is your idea how to solve this question? Explain to your friends how we can solve this one.
By scissors.
Can you explain more? What are you going to compare? Which fractions? How to start?
I don't know. I didn't think about this.
Oh, you didn't think about this? So what do you want to tell me? Thank you, Maitham. Muhammad. Thank you, Maitham. Oh, Ali Sultan. Ali Sultan first. Ali Sultan.
Yes.
Ali Sultan, what's your idea? Your friend said that we can use scissors, but he didn't explain to us how to start.
I will use the scissors like him. I will use it for all of them.
Okay, how? How?
Least
I have four.
take it.
I have 4 fractions. How to get the least one, the smallest? How can I do this using scissors?
Making it to them all.
Okay, how to start? Go ahead. Tell me how to start.
We will start.
Compare what?
We will start comparing by 2.
2/4
2
and
4 and 5/10.
so you will compare these two, and
Yeah.
you will find which one is smaller.
The least.
Yes,
And I will make it down.
and you will take the smaller
And I will do for it.
and compare
And
it
I will
with
do
2/5, right?
the least from the.
Wow, I like
two-
this idea. Then we will choose the smaller, and we
Yeah.
will take the smaller and compare it with the last one,
three
and it will
is-
give us the smallest.
Yeah.
Okay, this is good idea. Thank you, my hero. And Muhammad Yahya, go ahead.
Yes, Mister.
Do this.
We will. We can see first. First we will see is there any halves here? We will find 2 out of 4 and 5/10. And also, is there any number bigger? We can find that 3 out of 4 is big. So these 2 halves, 2 of the numbers are halves, and 1 is like 3/4. And I mean that still 1 piece and it will finish. But the last one that stay, it's not a half, and it needs 3 more to finish.
So,
It's the least.
which one?
It's 2 out of 5.
Muhammad Yahya, you are a star. Wow. I like how you think. Wow, I'm impressed. My heroes, he told me that he knows how to compare fractions with half. This is another way. So this is exactly equal to half. And this one exactly equal to half. And this one is less than half because half of the 5 is more than 2. And this one is greater than half.
And a half.
So this one is the least one. Wow, I like this answer. Wow, I'm impressed. Muhammad, great work. Wow. Thank you, Muhammad. And this is one way, my heroes. And we can do also the other way, as Ali told us. And I want to choose one of my heroes to help me with comparing using the method that Ali said. Okay, I will choose Muhammad al-Humaydan, he answered. Okay, Malik Salman. Malik
Sir.
Salman.
Sir, I finished all of the worksheet.
Wow, Ali, you are a star. Okay, and you know my heroes, you don't need to say this. You don't need to tell me.
Me too.
Okay, I know that I have many stars in this class. Malik Salman, are you here? Okay, Ibrahim Jughayman.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, Ibrahim Jughayman, you will help me to use the way that Ali said. So we are comparing now 2/4 and 5/10. 10 times 2.
10 times 2 equal 5.
Times, my hero.
Oh,
Equals 20. And so 10 multiplied by 2 equals 20. And 4 multiplied by 5.
20.
So these two are equal. In this case, which one is smaller? You can choose any one of them.
No. Yeah,
Okay,
there's
the
no
two of-
small.
So we can choose any of them. So let's say that we will use, of course, they are equal.
Mr. 1 minute.
So we will choose any of them. What about using 5/10 with 2/5? Compare these two. My hero? My hero, where are you? We are comparing 5/10 and
Mr.
2/5.
Sorry, I have Mr.
Yes? Abdulaziz, go
I
ahead.
have a problem, but I solved it.
Okay, 5 times 5.
Mr.
Abdulaziz, 5 times 5. Okay, my heroes, it's equal to 25, and 10 times 2 equals 20. So, as you can see, my heroes, the smaller here is 2/5. So we will choose the 2/5 and take it to the next level with 3/4. So 2/5 and 3/4. To compare these two fractions, Muhammad Jamal. Okay,
Here, Mr.
Okay, Muhammad Jamal, help us to compare 2/5 and 3/4.
What?
Compare 2/5 and 3/4. Go ahead. 5 times 3
Oh, 5 times 3, 15.
and 4 times 2.
4 times 2, 8.
So which one is we need to write?
3/4.
So this one. And which one is the least, the smallest?
2/5.
So the smallest is 2/5. So it's
2/5.
easy now, my heroes, to say that the smallest is 2/5. Oh, so my heroes, I like how you think, and I like your answers. Great work, my stars. Any questions, my heroes? So we move to the next page. In question 13, Abdurrahman. Abdulaziz Khalid.
What, mister?
Okay, Abdulaziz Khalid, go ahead. On the equal sections on this spinner, 5/8 are shaded, as you can see in the image, in the picture, and 1/8 is stripped. This 1/8. What fraction of the sections on the spinner are either shaded or stripped? So we should do what?
Divide.
What? What? Divide?
What?
So we need to add, my hero.
Okay, mister.
Okay, add 5/8 plus 1/8. It will give us. Yes.
Wait.
Okay.
30.
What are these numbers that you are using? Just add the numerators. 5 plus 1.
6.
And for the denominator, do not change it because this is the size, not the number. So the size is 8s. It's the same, 8s. So do not change, use the like denominator, use it. So the answer is 6/8. Oh, I cannot see 6/8 here. Can you help me to find 6/8 in the choices?
There's not, mister.
But we can do something to find it. I see that this one is wrong because it's 7/8. And we cannot make the 8 to be 3. So we will try to make it 4 or 2. So 6/8 we can divide by.
Divide by
We need
4.
We can divide by 4. 6 divided 4. Can you divide it? Divide 6 by 4? Can you divide 6 by 4?
No.
So you cannot divide by 4. But we can divide by 2.
3, 2, okay.
6 divided 2.
6 divided 2, 3.
And 8 divided 2.
4.
So the correct choice is
C.
Great work. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, the last question here. This question for... You don't need to use your mic, Saleh, or you will get a note. I don't like when I give notes to my heroes. Muhammad Hisham. Muhammad Hisham. Malik Osama. Malik Osama. Okay, Malik, go ahead.
If I completed 1/5 of this weekend homework on Friday and 3/5 of this homework on Saturday, what fraction of his homework did he do on Friday and Saturday? It's 4/5.
Oh, you need to explain to your friends why it's...
1/5 plus 3/5. You do not add the denominator, you do the numerator. 3 plus 4 is 4/5.
Excellent, thank you, my hero. So we do not add the denominator, but we add the numerators. 1 plus 3 equals 4. So 4/5. And as you can see here, my heroes, in the picture, we have 1/5 and 3/5. So the total is 4/5. Okay. Any questions, my heroes? We have ended the worksheet If you have any questions now, you can ask. Yes?
Mister,
Yes, ask.
how we answer the question number 13?
Question number 13. Okay, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, as you can see, Muhammad, we have here 5/8 are shaded and 1/8 stripped. So, shaded or stripped 6/8. And we need to find equivalent fraction to 6/8. So, we will think how to do this. I see the denominators 2, 3, 4, 8. The 8 is wrong because it's 7/8. So I have left 2, 3, and 4. I cannot make the 8 to be 3. So I will think first of the 2 and the 4. How to make the 8 to be 4? Divide by 2. How to make it to be 2? Divide by 4. But we cannot divide by 4, so the only way here is dividing by 2. That's why, my hero, it's 3/4. Okay, Muhammad, is it okay now?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Anyone else? Any questions, my heroes? Okay, thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow. Study hard. We have class tomorrow. And goodbye.
Bye.